Vivo has launched the S19 series in China. It consists of two new models including the Vivo S19 and the Vivo S19 Pro. This is the latest flagship from Vivo, packed with many features. Let's dive right in and see what makes this phone stand out. The Vivo S19 Pro is a true beauty. With its sleek glass back, it looks premium and feels incredibly solid in hand. Its standout feature is a large circular camera, housing the unique approach to the camera module. Each phone comes in stunning colors. Pro comes in Mystic Blue, Shadow Grey and Green Mountain. On the other side, the S19 comes in Misty Blue, Peach Blossom and Pine Smoke, each with a unique finish that catches the light beautifully. The S19 Pro sports a magnificent 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1260 x 2800 pixels, it offers stunningly vibrant colors and deep blacks, making everything from movies to games look spectacular. Plus, with a 120Hz refresh rate and 4500 nits, the display is incredibly smooth and responsive. The Vivo S19 has a flat display while the S19 Pro goes for a curved display. There is also a 50-megapixel punch-hole camera cutout for the selfie camera with an under-display fingerprint scanner. Coming up to performance-wise, the Vivo S19 comes with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. It is a decent processor, but not the latest one, as Vivo could have opted with the newer Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 and Adreno 720 GPU. Anyways, the Vivo S19 Pro comes with the Dimensity 9200 Plus chip. Notably, both phones use the same processors as their predecessors. Hence, there are no performance improvements with this generation, paired with 8, 12, and 16 GB of RAM. Plus, with internal storage variants is 256 and 512 GB. This ensures top-notch performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. The phone runs on Vivo's latest Origin OS 4 based on Android 14. It offers a clean and intuitive user experience with plenty of customization options. Let's talk about the camera system, which is truly one of the highlights of the Vivo S19 series. It features a quad-camera setup. S19 Pro comes with a 50-megapixel IMX921 anti-shake bionic main sensor with f1.88 aperture, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens f2.2 aperture, and 50-megapixel f1.85 aperture telephoto lens with optical zoom and a macro lens, while the Vivo S19 features a 50-megapixel main f1.88 aperture lens with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. This versatile setup lets you capture stunning photos and videos in any scenario. Battery life on the Vivo S19 series is excellent. The Vivo S19 has a 6000 mAh battery, which is a big one considering the current market. For the S19 Pro, Vivo opted for a 5500 mAh battery, which is also a decent size. It easily gets you through a full day of heavy use. When it's time to recharge, both variants can charge with the 80-watt super flash charge technology. You will get from 0 to 100% in no time. The Vivo S19 series offers several configurations at competitive prices. For the Vivo S19, the 8256GB model is priced at 2500 yuan, approximately $345. And for the Vivo S19 Pro, the 8256GB version is priced at 3300 yuan, which converts to about $455. The phone is now available to purchase in China. So, there you have it, the Vivo S19 series. With its stunning design, performance and versatile camera system, is that one of the best smartphones? What are your thoughts on this? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Twitter for more updates. Links are in the description below. If you have any questions or specific features you'd like to see in action, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video, tech aficionados.